Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back with another video. And as y'all can see by the title, you already know what I'm doing in this video. So I bought this off TikTok shop and we're gonna be trying this. So hopefully y'all can hear the walk. So it comes with all these.
You got more than 10 minutes.
We finna see what it do. I'm also recording on TikTok with me doing it. So yeah, make sure y'all go like that video. Hopefully it's gonna be on TikTok by the time I post this video. Okay guys, so I finished my nails. It took me like, I started like at what, 3, 4, finished at like, I don't even know what time. Okay, and I finished at like 7. This is how it looks. I just did like French because one thing I could do a French. Okay, so I just did a French, and from far it's cute, it's whatever, it's like it's simple, it's cute, but up close it's just like, but it's okay, like nobody not gonna really see from close up, just from far away. So you know, and it's my first time really trying these the Beatles or whatever, so I feel like I'm a master, but just not on the first try, you know. So yeah, so if somebody see my nails, I'm like, girl, your nails is cute, your nails come, like, thank you, and then when they look up close, I'm like, oh yeah, I did it. But it's cute or whatever. I feel like it's secure too, like that glue that they gave, I feel like that glue was really secure, because right now it feels like I got acrylic on, like that shit feels like it's gonna stay on for like more than a week. So but yeah, so right now I'm gonna fold some clothes and like start packing, because tomorrow I'm gonna be doing my cousin hair, and I also got like a client tomorrow, and then Sunday I'm gonna be doing my hair, and Monday we're gonna be leaving. So I don't think I'm gonna be having time to pack, because Sunday after I do my hair, I'm gonna be doing my lashes. I don't think I'm gonna have time to pack, and I don't like to be packing last minute, just in case, like if I pack right now on Sunday, I might like think of something that I forgot or something. I'm like, I forgot that, you know. I don't like to pack last minute, so I'm gonna be folding and packing clothes. Yeah, so I don't know when I'm gonna get back to y'all, but I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get back to y'all. And I know I haven't talked to y'all in like a minute. I have like recorded videos, but I haven't posted because I felt like I feel like those videos was just like not postable, so I end up not posting it. So hopefully this video, I actually pick the camera up and record what I'm supposed to be recording and actually end up posting this video. So there's nothing to really update, like there's no update otherwise than last time that I spoke to y'all, I was in Georgia. I'm no longer in Georgia. I moved back to Florida. Yep, I know it's a bunch of back and forth, but that's just life, you know. So I moved back to Florida. That's like the only update really. Yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all whenever I see y'all. And I love my nails. I don't even know if y'all really saw for real. Look at my flowers, y'all. Ain't it cute? And I also got like a teddy and a chocolate, but my flowers are so cute. If I didn't know, it's National Girlfriend's Day, and yeah, it's cute. Okay, y'all, so this is my suitcase of things that I packed. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see that. This was over here. Okay, so in this, I just got my slippers. All my slippers that I'm bringing, and that bath suits, pennies, stuff like that, outfits, and purse. I do need to put more purse because I don't think that's gonna be enough. And the rest of my outfits and things. And yeah, cutesy. Okay guys, so I just made content doing my lashes. I totally forgot to record that, but by the way, it's the next day. I don't know if I said that. No, I didn't. So it's the next day. Just did some content with my lashes, forgot to record me doing my lashes here, but it was nothing much. Like, y'all see my doing my lashes all the time. And I'm gonna do my hair, and I'm gonna make content with that too. I'm gonna do that little trend that day we doing, like carry on stop. I'm gonna do that. Hopefully it comes out cute. So yeah, lashes is done. Nails is done. We're getting there. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all soon. Okay, chat. So I don't know how the quality looks. I don't really care because I'm in the bathroom and we're about to leave out. So I did not show y'all how my hair looks, so I'm gonna be pulling my hair out and show y'all how it looks and finish getting ready. Oh, I forgot my roll. Hold on, forgot to put on some deodorant. Let me do that real quick. Okay, hopefully that one's kind of finished, so hopefully it does do the trick because I packed the other one already that's full. And yeah, let's just okay, so let's take this bonnet off my head. I think my hair is gonna be, yeah, my hair is gonna have to like, it's wet. I knew that was gonna happen, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, that always happened. Like every single time I freaking shower, my hair always get wet. Like, oh my god. I think I'm just re-straighten it when I'm at the place because it's kind of wet right now and I want to straighten it while it's still wet. So yeah, but this is how it looks. Obviously, as I said, it's still wet, but yeah. I'm trying to steal it. Steal what? Girl, nobody want to steal one. Okay. So let me just bring. What y'all think? What y'all think?
I did get my plus mine.
What y'all think? Show Auntie my one.
Sunday was Happy National Girlfriend and I got flowers. And definitely got flowers too.
And the teddy and chocolate.
Wait, where my card at?
Okay, so I'm back. So I finished packing and I got my stuff together. I got my phone, I got my charger, I got my headphone, my clothes, my hair stuff, money. Why are you trying to slow me? I think I got everything, honestly. I don't even know if y'all can see or not, but this is the outfit. Outfit check, just something simple, you know. Yeah. Cuando come back down. Okay, so we made it. What was that? So we made it, y'all. Now I think we're gonna get something to eat. And yeah. The neighborhood is like so like what you would say, like pretty. Yeah. But yeah. I'm gonna give y'all a tour later though. Like after we get something to eat and we're coming back. Yeah. After we get something to eat and we're coming back, I'm gonna give y'all like a tour of how it looks. Yeah.
actually snap everybody.
No, please have it. Oh, they still don't got that shit in here? Even all the way up there, they don't got that shit? What, a cheesecake? No cheesecake.
No.
Is it buy one get one for killer? We are good in the off-brand butter there. Oops.
Oh, I know. I get.
Girl, bye. I don't know who you're trying to scare. Could never. Watch your language. Bitch. Watch your language.
Fuck.
I'm telling you.
No, delete that.
No, I'm telling you. Oh, it is.
See? I told you. But was it this one that Auntie I was get?
Yeah, we're just gonna get both.
Yeah. And I was trying to get it, but nah, you just wanted. I don't want
Shut
that.
up. Killer. Bro, like, she just so. You're,
Rocket for you, baby. Burning you. It's all I really want. Drop it for you, drop it for you, baby. Rock it for you.
yes, you did. Oh, you did. You know, did. Like, girl, you're crazy. Skid. Hey, actually, embarrassing, bro.
What I know?
Oh, me? Let's go.
Vlog takeover, guys. Ooh, don't mind my forehead. So we wanna go. We wanna go get the eye. My look for me. Anyways, we're gonna get the potato. What y'all be talking about on here? Like, what should we talk about?
This is not live. This is just a day. This is just like, do your thing. I just
Like, what do we talk about? You know?
don't have to. You didn't want to talk to you.
So y'all just stare at people. Cause usually during this part in the vlogs, I be skipping. Like,
That's your problem. No,
I'm not sitting there watching. I'm not sitting there watching nobody just walking around.
You got ADHD.
But anyways, y'all, we're finna get potatoes because Auntie Mommy finna make mashed potatoes and salmon tomorrow for dinner. You know, she be busting out in the kitchen like the wife and baby mama she is. Don't play with her, right? Right. Anyways, potatoes. Yeah, what the hell are them damn potatoes?
I spy potatoes nowhere.
I think I could be a vlogger. I feel like I have the energy to be a vlogger. Like, you feel me? Once the camera rolling, bitch. Well, let me taste some grapes. Yeah, they be having these cotton candy grapes. You ever? They be having cotton candy grapes. I don't see them though. But they're probably on the other side, y'all. Let's go steal some grapes. I don't see them. They don't have them. Shit. No, I'm gonna have to just go eat regular grapes because I ain't done did all that. I have to eat something. It's only right? Why don't got them? Because I thought they were gonna have the fuck. I'm out of breath, y'all. Fuck. What's this? Oh, they're right here. Cotton candy grapes.
Right, overripe.
Let's see how they taste. Oh, I like this camera.
Guys, the potato them they're over there, so we came with potatoes. Over there. What are you doing?
Hush.
What are you doing?
Hush.
What the fuck? Who calling me? Who start calling her?
All right, y'all. You know, you just gotta give it a little wipe. They soggy though.
That's what I said. It's overripe. That's what I said. It's overripe. Is it good? So why you buying it? Why you bidding
Girl,
it
eat it.
to me?
It tastes like cotton candy for real.
What the fuck?
It's good. It tastes like cotton candy, don't it? Let me get another one.
Name was Kevin.
You know me hearing me now. I heard him, but
Kevin there.
I hear Kelly. Okay, where you said the potatoes at? Which one's a good one, so y'all? Which potatoes y'all be getting for real?
Do y'all be getting the yellow one or the red one?
Or these ones? Where Auntie at? Cause I don't know. I don't remember. I think we should get
I think it was the red one.
the red one. These ones. These are small though. She gonna make mashed potatoes.
It's so cute.
Ooh, gotta be quiet. Oh, that is cute.
Like I just love seeing pink.
It was cute. My wrist hurt. God dang. Nasty. Nasty. I heard that. You might hear it too. Sorry, I didn't hear that. The octave. Sorry, did you hear that?
I'm sorry?
You heard that?
No, I didn't. hear
No?
that. No.
Alright, thank you.
Now go on.
Alright.
What are you doing here?
Auntie poop. You want to say no? No, I didn't hear that.
Yo.
My interview people. Like y'all need to comment. Like, what y'all want to do?
Attach one
Look,
here.
yeah. A twin planting.
When I feel so pink, put our home together.
Yo, stop laughing at me. Twin.
One on there?
It's a lot of BS in here. You better cut it out.
I'm gonna keep your BS in.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna act composed because she will really keep it in, and I'm not with that. Not with that. Come on, wanna say hi to the vlog?
What's up, Chad?
Trying to act so
That's the one. That's the real nigga right here. Don't play with my girl
Hey.
for real, huh, cuz? Huh, cuz?
Yeah, cut.
Yeah, don't fuck with my nigga for real. Bitch.
He ain't about that life.
He ain't what?
He ain't about that life.
He ain't bad at life.
He ain't about that life. We
Yeah.
not here.
You heard what she said? She said you ain't bad at life. What you got to say about that?
I'm not a criminal.
Exactly. Exactly.
Bro.
You don't gotta be a criminal to kill a nigga. I mean,
We're not talking about
We
that,
ain't
bro.
talking about
We're
no
not talking,
killing.
bro.
I'm saying that, but like, I'm
Who
saying
is he?
I'm not saying that.
Quiet on the creek, nigga.
No, I'm not saying that, bro. I'm not saying that.
You supposed to say you is that nigga.
I mean,
You have to go. Let's
Alright, Chad.
I never tried a cherry first.
I never tried a
before.
cherry, y'all.
First time trying a cherry.
Let's try it.
Boom. Let's get it.
Bitch. This shit good.
This shit slaps.
This shit slap. It's kind of choking me out. What you got here? He was coming again.
Avocados are not go close to it. We didn't get confused.
So when I went past it choked. I left you with your back to go up and it choked. That was on you, I guess.
we're not fit.
Okay, yeah, so outside it's dark, house, not showing you the number. So this is us coming in from the garage, and when you turn here, you got a bedroom, which is cutesy. And then you go in here, and then you have this little door, which I don't know where it
Show me
leads
by
to. Well, I think this is the front door.
Show me this one.
Right, that's the night. Right, that's the.
This one?
Anyone are close to the door? I don't know. I think you want in front. Oh, and then this is the half bathroom. Then you got the living room. Then you got the kitchen, dining area, TTT. Then you got the pantry, which that's all that's in there. We just went shopping for a little stuff. Then we gonna go upstairs. We got little Mickey. Then we're gonna go upstairs. Let me bring this towel. Like I was going upstairs. So here we go. Go. Yeah. And then what? And this. Love the black interior. Like, oh my gosh. And that's the bathroom. And this room. And let me zoom that back out. And this is just a closet. The spot right there. And then this is this room, which y'all see. And it's double sink. I'm guessing this is a closet. Oh, a bathroom. Wow, cool. I believe that's the bathroom, I guess. Which this room is like so pretty. Like you got the pink. And then when you go in, you have the little designs and stuff. And it's like so pinky and girly and cute. And then you have the BFF. So cute. Oh my gosh. Then you got a closet. And this is so cute.
Yo, where's shopping back there, bro?
I mean, another bathroom, which I just love how like everything is like so modern. And then you got the little Bowie. Turn the lights off. A little Mickey right there. And then you got another room, which is like so many bedrooms, y'all. Like, there's so much. Love that. Turn the lights off. Close back the door. And then this here is my brother's room with his little TV, his little beds, his little whatnot, and a closet, and his bigoted ass.
Alright, gang, start recording.
Anyways, bye.
Get out, bro.
What's your name?
White.
Just want to know that they first one I killed with like. I never flew that.
Movie night.
Okay.
Hi, my favorite peeps.
Okay.
Y'all ever tried this? Y'all tried it? Because it's kind of bitter, but it's good though. Like it's creamy.
I'm assuming about because I feel soon as soon as
Anyways, that's what I was saying. It's good, but it's kind of bitter. But it's like real. It's the ice cream is really good and soft. But yeah, she just staring at me. What you snacking on?
Oh, some mochi. Let me show you.
No, mochi.
Yes. I know y'all love some mochi.
I'm about to try one. Let's do a taste test. Wanna try this? And I buy it, y'all. He ate some rice cake. He don't wanna be fat with us. It's cool though. Can you hold this for me real quick? We about to try mochi. Okay, I'm gonna try the same one because I want to hold one. I'm gonna eat hers. Ready? It's good, but with mochi, the skin could be too much for me.
I love.
It's good. Take a bite, Nancy. When you took a bite. I don't know. It's good, but I'm about to snack on mine. Until I think she's about to snack on her mochi. And we'll see y'all later. Bye.
Why you falling? Okay, so outfit is on. This is my outfit. Something simple. Yeah, so now I'm gonna start adding here. We can speed it up because breakfast time is almost over. So I'm gonna speed it up. Oh my gosh, I forgot to bring my oil for my hair, knowing damn well how my hair is. For real. I didn't even turn it on, like what? Okay, so I need some type of oil. And I did not bring my other oil. So now it's just like one of my flames. So help my hair. I'm telling y'all, okay, y'all got to eat. That shit gonna have y'all shit looking sleek. You know about the world. Oh my God, you know about the world. I'm gonna take. I'm just gonna do some quick passes because on the top of this. Like that. It is true. Just like that. Iron it off. I'm gonna put too much sugar on because I'm really feeling it. See, that's my struggle with the necklace, girl. Where am I going to show? I am. Can't do it. I'm just putting my lip gloss on and what am I missing? I think that's it. I don't think I'm missing anything. Okay, and I'm done. I'm done getting ready. So I'm gonna see y'all downstairs, okay? Stay with me now. I'm gonna go. But anyways, I'm gonna see y'all downstairs in a little minute. Yeah. Chat. So we are going to. No, I didn't talk to him. I'm not going to. Hey girl. Hey guys. And this message. Guys, taps on roses, chat. Taps on roses.
I hope they're not iPods.
Are your sister that? Yeah.
On a beer with you. Hey y'all. Wait, make it how I want to make it. Hey.
Listen to
Nobody
her.
tell me no.
Listen to it. Repeat yourself again.
Me say, I'm gonna make my food how I want to make my food. Me know what you're over there start tell me what you do. Thank
That
you.
part.
Okay.
Anyways,
Anyways.
30K. US, yes, not Jamaican, US.
Remember,
Hey Richie. You and me. Okay, guys, so we're on our way to the pool. And we was on the road earlier when I was on live, but I forgot my camera, so I wasn't able to record.
Are you a camera there too?
The train. But yeah, so we're on our way. I must catch y'all when I'm there because my battery is literally dying because I forgot to plug it in. So yeah.
Yeah,
See y'all.
Sorry, I was on a black for y'all today. I guess not.
Yep. But I mean, I did bring my charger, so. But I'm gonna charge my phone first. Okay, y'all. So the last time that I talked to y'all, we was going to the pool. We went to the pool, but like we end up not actually like going inside because there was lightning in the area. It wasn't raining, but it was like lightning in the area, so they gonna close it either way. So that was closed. So we end up just coming home, cooking, ate, went on live for a little bit. There wasn't really nothing festive on live, so I only stayed for like a little bit. And then we watched a movie, which we just finished watching the movie, and now I'm gonna just go chill and watch another movie. And I might see y'all later if I do end up doing something. If I don't, then I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow because we're gonna go to the pool tomorrow instead. Hopefully there's no thunder, there's no rain, because it's raining right now. It was raining since like I want to say like 6-7 o'clock. Like I'm gonna say like 7 o'clock because right now it's I think 9. No, it's 8 o'clock. So it was raining around like 8-7, and hopefully it doesn't rain tomorrow. Pray to the Lord. But I'm gonna see y'all.
Please the lightnings today.
You can't build yourself a bad mind figure it out. You can't bad mind man to do up their body and take fuck.
Yeah.
I ain't wasting no time.
So where y'all going to? Let's go. Right camera. Quality looks good. Okay, so I wasn't even talking to y'all, but we at the water park. We just got this thing. I don't know really. I think you slide on it and stuff like that. And now we're gonna go on the slide because we trying to hurry up before like the thunder start rolling and rain start falling and shit. Because as you can see by the sky, looks like it's about to happen. So we're trying to hurry it up. This girl ain't playing. Look at her. She ready to go. Kevon in the back. Oh yeah, we gotta take our shoes off. But yeah, like we gotta climb that long ass stairs. Yup. This gonna be a workout. I don't mind. Yeah, y'all. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm at the top.
Can we put on?
Oh my god! Oh my god! That was scary! Oh my god! Oh gosh. Yo! My lashes. Okay, y'all. Now we're finna go up on the next one. I'm gonna catch y'all at the top.
Yeah, the 2 girls. Yeah.
Yeah. Who wanted to go? Oh my shit! Shit! Oh my god!
You like that one?
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, it wasn't bad. I'm gonna go back.
Yeah.
Her. I'm just taking over to the.
I love your outfit.
Thank you. You wanna say hi?
You wanna say hi
Am
to
I able to
it?
know the channel?
Yeah.
Huh?
Am I able to know the channel?
Yeah.
Girl, me tap a come on.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, what's it called?
Should I get her YouTube chat? Y'all, this one right here. You know, this one's bad. This one's not bad. I like this one better. This one's scary.
Oh, it's cute.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I just love your outfit.
Thank you.
Get more pink stuff, but like,
She said she loved her outfit.
like that fits me. Like I love like Potato Error. I love those Y2K.
Yes, that's us.
Harder than that.
All right, we're gonna see you back. We coming back down.
Oh my gosh, you want to take off these lashes?
Okay, y'all. I'm gonna walk back up.
I'm
I tried to wipe my eye a couple of times. The lashes feel like it was coming off with them. All right, y'all. She about to fix my top. Fix my top for me.
Okay, what is it?
Put your girl. Okay. It's gonna be a long ass walk back up there. Oh my goodness. Y'all can see us good.
But this shit is
I'm
too
the
heavy.
cameraman. This is the cameraman. You gonna hire me to be a cameraman?
Yeah, no, yeah. You pay $5.
$5. You be walking, I'm bumping into this shit.
Girl, you're horrible. Look on the camera and leave. You have to walk back here so they'll be walking backwards. Make sure you say I get an angle good.
Oh, it's a little baby.
Kelly, you're not getting no. Get it good.
Look, y'all. It's so cute.
Oh my gosh. Look at auntie.
Hey, what you recording, ma'am? You're not supposed to record people. What you know what I mean? He went in the. Oh, he was just in there. He in the green one. What?
Kitchy, Kelly, you're not kitchy.
Come on, if you zoom in.
Oh my gosh.
You probably afraid.
You're probably afraid.
I'm scared of that one because you see how it's open.
Yeah, come on, is in the green one. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yes!
We're not good at that.
Hell no.
We're not good at that. This one.
How was it? No?
I'm not.
Hell no, I'm not doing that shit.
That shit like, you don't get to stand on nothing to start off, fam. You just drop you, cuz.
Give me 10, y'all. Give me 10. Give me 10. Alright. Look at everybody stopping. I want to see the view. Look how pretty up here. I can feel my ass getting fatter, y'all. I can feel it. Let me sit down. Fuck. Fuck this shit. Yeah, I need to pee. I'm gonna pee in there. Out of the creek though. I'm gonna wait till the kids come up. Huh? Tube? Green tube? You're not scared? No. No? You like it? Yeah, high five. You're afraid of... Oh, y'all going on the green?
What?
You are going on the green?
I'm going on the
Which one?
yellow orange.
Orange? Somebody up on green? Y'all go. Y'all got it. You got it. You got it. Don't be scared, little buddy. Don't be scared. I believe in you, hubby. You got it. Y'all gotta let go. What the hell?
They're reaching over here, bro.
I heard big A. Yeah, let me see if I can get it. Oh my god. Now, I don't know how to zoom in on here. Oh, there they go.
Oh wait.
Go the other way. Y'all scared? It's not scary. Don't be scared. Trust me. That's a lie. Don't trust me. Run.
Whoa.
Dang it in this motherfucker. I don't know if it's recording.
Head north on Summersworth Drive, then take the first right onto Reunion.
Okay, so we're on our way to go eat. And I'm gonna see how when we're there. I'm gonna show you my outfit too. It's nothing much. I just put on something simple. But yeah, I'm gonna show you when we get there. Yeah. We made it, y'all. Y'all can't even see me. Hold on. We made it to Sakabe Buffet Sushi Hibachi Seafood.
So where you said so?
Eh?
Where you said so?
Oh, I said. What is it?
Saka Buffet Sushi Hibachi Seafood.
Let's go. You have to go in front.
Oh, look at him being a gentleman. Thank you.
Thank you.
Y'all look, this is fancy. Oh, it's nice. Hi. Hello. Bye. Coming.
Man, tell that a little bit try.
Okay, y'all. So
Alright.
We're trying.
the Coke.
Let's do cheers.
Okay.
We're
You have
trying.
you have to pour me camiola. Guys, we're trying soju.
Cheers.
Wait it.
Liquor. That's a whole shot right there.
But it's good though.
I wonder what it is. Ooh, that's straight up liquor.
Don't think it's gonna get worse on worse. Watch.
Come on now, cause I liquor and they use sweet. It's liquor, it's not
This
juice.
is Kayla, Yvonne. This is my
Oh yeah, we're
plate.
gonna try frog legs.
And they're gonna try frog leg,
Who's
but they're
we?
gonna eat it last.
Who's we?
You finna eat it. I'm not
Hey,
eating
that
it.
stop telling us
Them
to match
two
our frog legs.
is gonna be eating frog legs. I don't know how. I don't know why in their right mind they feel like we're gonna try frog legs. You want me everything for? Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna try the sushi first. This one looks good. That was good.
Chicken.
Yeah, no? One at a time.
No, I'm not doing it by myself. Hell no.
I'm not sure what it is.
What the heck?
Oh my gosh.
Right here.
I'm not making us a problem in my ear.
It's like salty, like. It's not bad.
What's your salt? Salt to what?
Yeah, like it's salty.
But the problem, nobody knows who want to eat. Nobody knows how to do it. That's why people eat.
Try.
Okay, lah. Kelly. She's trying to crab leg. Nobody don't know what she's doing.
Frog leg?
But
Oh, she said it earlier in the vlog. That's why.
Oh yeah.
I'm so scared. Look on the food. Yuck.
Oh, let's try it out. But me can't. Oh yeah, so me never saw them eat.
yeah.
Oh, but this is
Try frog leg.
the not for sale.
The
But
chat.
the thing. Yeah. Okay, let's stop. Just migrate the thing and just put it in your
I'm not
mouth.
eating that.
Can you smell it?
It's so funky. I'm not eating that.
It's similar to me the project a scoop and frog.
You like really eat frog leg?
Yeah.
What is that?
I don't taste nothing. I don't want to swallow it. Yeah, I don't.
Right, come on, let's cook you. You get trick.
Now I'm on Mary.
When I taste them,
Mary
I'm
and Gene on the rope. I've tried stuff
It's
that I like.
chewy though. Let me go again.
When the Mary said, man, try again, no, but never try.
Yeah. Yeah, try it.
I give chicken.
Is that chicken?
I give chicken.
Smart. I do it taste salty.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
But the chicken have a clear stuff wipe your mouth door.
Yeah, she went and took something else.
I'm gonna try it.
Like,
Yes.
you came in this thing.
Banana paper. A banana.
It's like weed leaf.
Maybe I rum down or something.
Probably when I go there, I'm to Jamaican blue jars.
Blue jars, yeah.
You know must get bad. Because of them culture. You know what I'm cooking at, Michelle?
Nah.
Let's bite.
Nah, I'm not. I'm just gonna.
No, that looks disgusting.
The back. That's part too wet. I'm gonna try the back.
Or rice.
Yeah, rice with some. I think they said chicken.
Sushi.
Smell it. Smell like a leaf we drink. Tea.
You smell?
You smell for me?
Smell
Smell it,
like
Kevin. It smell like that bush the way we drink. Yeah, just have a strong aroma that way. That's what it
Why they wrap it now? The leaf. Yeah, the leaf. Why they wrap it now? So.
It ain't bad. It just tastes like the leaf. I don't like it though.
that look very yucky. Oh yeah, cheers too.
Taste them.
Sorry.
Cheers to everybody here. Another day, another life. The love of my life here right now. Love you guys so much. Cheers. Anybody got cheers?
Cheers to everybody. Love you guys.
Yeah, love you guys.
What the hell is that? Oh, girl. It tastes so white. You go with me now.
Okay.
But anyways, y'all, so we got dessert.
I already ate my dessert. My bad.
Yeah, tours up.
It's good.
But, mom,
I took this out.
we finna swear it out.
Yeah. Pepper man.
Do you really want to eat that thing
I
in the
probably
paper?
sauce.
I'm not doing something.
Yeah.
Can I
So
get a
we
fork?
got a
Yeah.
Fork.
new invention to the source.
Damn, this looks spicy. Are you doing so? Alright, so
I
Cool.
saw it coming
Oh.
down.
I'm not scared of it. I'm not
It's
scared of
calamari.
it. Me eat it already. It's just that I don't know if it's gonna be spicy.
But why?
Look, just cook.
Everybody judge me. Me don't know.
What?
Are you on train?
Bring up
I don't look good, bro.
It's okay.
Girl.
You want
don't
try
know, but it's
anything
good.
else?
You
Wanna
good?
try it? Mm-hmm.
I eat it all the
It's
time.
spicy though.
Come on, baby, you can try.
I don't.
Eh?
Try it. You never
Okay, I'll try it.
I like
I don't know.
You like after you don't want to try. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Me know I'm making her eat it. But look.
It's cool.
Yeah. That's why I said the sticky food. It ain't bad. It's spicy, but it ain't bad. Stop thinking about it.
Just eat it, buy it like
Just back the whole thing.
Give me, because I like it.
Just buy that swallow.
I like it. You want to try it? But it's bite that foot right there.
Come on, eat it all the time.
Bite that foot right there.
Come on, eat it all the time. So, in next time I go out and buy calamari, you're not going to eat it. I see you're not eat it. I see him doing it.
I'll eat it fried. That's different.
But eat frog leg.
I'll eat it fried.
It's not bad. Y'all overthinking it.
Yeah. It's good.
Every Jamaican cook at national right. Yeah, for porridge.
Oh yeah,
right? Every
that's the
Jamaican.
first time you ever eat it.
Every
But I don't think
Jamaican
it's
eat
cooked
it.
though. Oh wait, yeah. Give me with this. Okay, ready? Set. And then 1, 2. Ready, set, ready.
I need a deep sea, swimming with the Christians, cross, yeah, yeah. I need a deep sea, swimming with the Christians, yeah, yeah. And then come on, the fish. Okay,
Oh, never come on.
ready? Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready, set, ready. Go, I need that, please.
Let's start there.
No, we have practice. You know, ready, set, ready. And then deep sea, swimming with the fish. Come on. And then deep sea, oh my gosh. Come on. And see, swimming with the fish. They're going to come in.
Then I will knock me and I'll come in and get some.
1, 2. No, stay here. 1, 2. And then you do the big one. Yes, you're definitely right. Okay.
Yeah.
What about the waffle?
You have to get up on the water. Oh shoot, that's where I left it to. Let's go.
You can't get no shit over there.
I'm out here, bro.
Yeah, son. Come on, people. Come on, send more people. Exactly.
Okay, so we have the outlet and we're just walking in. We're just here to like just scope the scenery. We're not really here to like really get anything for real. We're just here to like get out the house and do something. I know the quality sucks and it's dark, but there. Come back.
You know, I shot.
I got shorts like this. Like the pop songs.
No.
Hell no, I have to go all the way up.
Okay.
Yeah. When I know what I'm saying, shot them this up. The deer.
Walk straight, listen.
That looks like it's a bun right there. Watch out.
Look like a boat for drop.
It's not my size.
What are we thinking about the shoes?
Trying. What do you think?
These size ones small.
Let's go, let's go.
Cute with my pants.
It is.
Oh, those are cute.
Yeah.
Let's go. Miss USA. No, Miss Jamaica.
You been my little yeah.
Hey, those are fire.
The highest I got.
What you got for the other one? I can't really like see like the details.
Yeah, I need to see. Because it looks good. Because it looks good. Yes. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Y'all, it's raining, but like, look at how pretty that is, and then look how dark. Oh my gosh, it's raining. It's raining. But yeah, I don't know what y'all find good about matcha, but it's kind of nasty. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's kind of nasty. But we gotta hurry up because it's raining. Okay, so we. Ooh, damn! I'm not gonna try this. Okay, so we're in Walmart. It's raining real bad outside, y'all. I don't know if I could hear it on the ceiling, but it's raining real bad. So yeah, we're in Walmart. What I'm gonna do, yeah, do.
Hazelnut instead, not peanut butter?
Well, you better get it.
We switched it for this one.